How to deactivate your Facebook account temporarily. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about deactivating your Facebook account temporarily. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From here, scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy and then select Settings. Go to Account Center and then go and click on Personal Details. From here, click on Account Ownership and Control. Now tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Facebook account and there you will see two different options, that is deactivating your account, which is temporary, and deleting your account, that is permanent. So if you deactivate your account and your main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared. You will be able to continue using Messenger though. So click on Continue, that is highlighted in blue color. And if you have created pages in your Facebook account, deactivating your account will also deactivate those pages or additional Facebook profiles where you are the only admin or person with the full control. To keep your pages active, assign another admin or give someone else full control in your page settings. Then click on Continue. Lastly, you have to enter the password for your Facebook account. Enter the correct password in this field and then click on Continue, that is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. So this is exactly how you can deactivate your Facebook account temporarily. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.